Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot in Oppo F5 smartphone. First of all, I want to tell you that this phone is not actually Oppo F5 but it is Oppo A5. However, these screenshot methods are same for both F5 and A5. I have used it for the purpose of explaining how you can take a screenshot. Let's see how you can take screenshot. First, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. I want to take the screenshot of this page, for which use power button and volume down button together for 1 to 3 seconds. Yes, screenshot is captured. Once again, I repeat. Press power button and volume down button and screenshot is captured. And next method is use your 3 fingers sliding down along the screen. Just slide down along the screen. Yes, screenshot is captured. Once again I do it. Yes, screenshot is captured. In this way you can easily take screenshot. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.